Hi, I'm Dan from the Property Centre Lettings. Here are 3 reasons you should pick us to be the agent to let your property. Number one is marketing. We put a lot of effort into marketing your property to give you the best and maximum exposure. As standard with us, get professional photography, videography, including drone footage, social media marketing, and we list you on the 3 biggest online portals being Zoopla, Rightmove, and On the Market. Marketing for lettings is super important. I want us to have as many options for tenants so that we're super confident with whoever we pick to move into the property. Number two is fairness and transparency when it comes to fees. With us, we have 3 levels of service. We can find a tenant and let you manage it. We can find a tenant and manage the rent, or we can find a tenant and manage everything from rent to maintenance to negotiations throughout the tenancy. With those 3 options, there will be a setup fee for the marketing stuff that we do initially, which is deducted from the first month's rent. And if you choose for us to look after the property at all afterwards, there'll be a monthly recurring fee. There are no hidden fees, and we charge 0 uplift with contractors. Some agents will charge a referral fee for any work that's done, which oftentimes will make work more expensive. For us, no hidden fees, no deposit registration, no account production fees, and no uplift with our contractors. So our fees are transparent. You know what you're paying us. You know what you're going to receive from the rent every month. Number 3 is we are a very forward-thinking company that offer a modern but personal service. We have a lot of tech integrations as part of our property management, meaning we have account systems that you can log into. So if you would like account statements from a certain date range, you can log in and get those yourself. You get automated updates for any maintenance work that's going on at the property. And we have a portal that you can log into to sort of track and follow what's going on. At the same time, all of my landlords will have my personal number. I'm very accessible on WhatsApp. So any questions about anything property related, whether it's maintenance or future properties or anything, you get direct access to myself. I will be the person who's listing your property, letting your property, and looking after your property. So it's a very personal service. It's full accountability there. I won't be passing you over to anybody else to look after the property. I'll be myself with those tech integrations to make things modern and more streamlined.